जी सवारे को
This is a district line train to Wimbledon. The next station is Embankment.
हफ्ता है अप्रैल की 18 तारीख साल 2026। इस वक्त मैं ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट लाइन में बैठा हूँ और ट्रफालगर स्क्वायर मशहूर का जो ट्रफालगर स्क्वायर है लंदन का मशहूर ट्रफालगर स्क्वायर वहाँ जा रहा हूँ। वहाँ पे आज सिख मज़हब का एक मशहूर बैसाखी फेस्टिवल हो रहा है और वो बैसाखी फेस्टिवल मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगा।
The next station is Embankment. Change for the
ये जो
Bakerloo
बैसाखी
and
फेस्टिवल
Northern Line and National Rail
ये
services from Charing Cross.
1699 से शुरू हुआ।
Services from Embankment Quay.
ये किताब तारीखी किताबों में लिखा है कि ये सिखों का जो 10वां गुरु है गुरु गोबिंद सिंह, ये उसके ज़माने से शुरू हुआ था। उसके अपने ख़ास तरीके और हर इस तरह की तरीके जो वो ऐसे कि माशरे में अच्छाइयाँ लाने का होता है। क्या उस ज़माने में जो मजालिम थे उसके खिलाफ बने थे। मैं जाके आप लोगों को ये सिखों का ये जो मजहबी त्यौहार बैसाखी दिखाऊंगा ट्रफालगर स्क्वायर में। इस वक्त मैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट लाइन में बैठा हूँ तो मैं ऊपर जाऊँ। ये एम्बैंकमेंट स्टेशन है, ये सेंट्रल लंदन में है, बड़े मशहूर जगह है। और यहाँ से मैं ट्रेन से उतर के अब आगे जाऊँगा ट्रफालगर स्क्वायर। ट्रफालगर स्क्वायर फिर मैं जाके आपको फिर बैसाखी की जो सेलिब्रेशन है वो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा। उसकी एक अपनी तारीख है कि दुनिया में नाइंसाफ़ी ना हो, किसी के साथ जुल्म ना हो, कोई भूखा ना हो। ये सारे मज़ाहिब का यही एक थीम है और बुनियाद है। यहाँ एम्बैंकमेंट से आते हुए यहाँ पे ये चेरिंग क्रॉस स्टेशन रास्ते में पड़ता है। मैंने कहा ये भी आप लोगों को दिखा दूँ। हाँ, आगे फिर हो जाए वो ट्रफालगर स्क्वायर है। हाँ, मैं उधर जा रहा हूँ और मैं वहाँ पे आपको बैसाखी के जो प्रोग्राम है वो दिखाऊंगा। ये देखिए मैं अब ट्रफालगर स्क्वायर की तरफ रवाना, बल्कि मैं आप पहुँचाऊँ तकरीबन। और ये देखिए ये आप इनके आलम ये जो देखिए ये है, ये आप लोग को नज़र आ रहे होंगे। इधर ये काफ़ी सारी मशहूर बिल्डिंगें हैं। ये नेशनल गैलरी है और ये बड़ी खूबसूरत जगह है असल में। ट्रफालगर स्क्वायर लंदन का दिल है, सच्ची बात ये है। यहाँ जी मैं पहुँच चुका हूँ ट्रफालगर स्क्वायर और मैं अब आपको ये जो बैसाखी का ये प्रोग्राम दिखाऊंगा। काफ़ी सारी
ਵਧਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਕਾਰਜਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪ ਜੀ ਸਫਲਤਾਈ ਬਖਸ਼ੋ। ਹੋਈਆਂ ਭੁੱਲਾਂ ਮਾਫ ਕਰੋ, ਸਭ ਦੀਆਂ ਹਾਜ਼ਰੀਆਂ ਪ੍ਰਵਾਨ ਕਰੋ। ਖੜੇ ਸੋ ਚੜੇ ਸ਼ਰਨ ਪਰੇ ਸੋ ਤਾਰੇ, ਕਲਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਵਰਤੇ। ਸੁਖ ਹੋਵੇ ਨਾਮ ਦੇ ਆਵੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ
सारे लोग यहाँ आ गए हैं। ये सारे सिख मज़हब के मानने वाले मत वाले इंतहाई जज्बे के साथ यहाँ पे खड़े हैं। यहाँ जो फीलिंग्स है वो मैं आपको वीडियो में नहीं दिखा सकता। एक ख़ास माहौल है, उसको यहाँ खड़े होकर महसूस किया जाता है।
What Baisakhi is, and I think what we just heard there from the Neelabana Forge is that Sarbat da Pala. At the end of that ardas, at the end of that, what we could even call a manifesto, is Sarbat da Pala. What does that mean?
बैसाखी यहाँ लंदन में मैं आपको दिखाने लगा हूँ बैसाखी की। ये बाबा गोरबंश सिंह, उसके ज़माने में शुरू हुआ था। वो 10वां गुरु माना जाता है। मैं किससे पूछूंगा कि वो मुझे 10वें से आगे जो 9 गुरु हो गुजरे हैं उनके नाम मुझे बता दें, मैं किसी सिख आलिम को ढूंढूंगा। पंजाबी पेन है।
Oh, thumbs up. Lovely. Okay, so how's the
हेलो, मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछ सकता हूँ?
हाँ जी,
वो ऐसा है कि आज जो हम कर रहे हैं ये तो 10वें गुरु है गोबंद सिंह।
हाँ जी, वाहिगुरु।
उससे पहले जो 9 गुजरे हैं, मुझे अगर आप उनके नाम बता दे तो मैं आपका मशकूर होऊंगा। पहला दूसरा
पंजाबी गुरु नानक देव जी महाराज।
जी 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 जी, मैं पहले जो वो से शुरू करें और 9वें तक आए तक मिले। हाँ, मुझे ज़रा तारीख में दिलचस्पी है।
He's got some questions he wants to ask you, so
anyone can tell me the 9th guru, the name of the 9th guru before the 10th one? The 10th one is Guru Gobind Singh. Tell me the name, the previous one, the 9th one.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Guru Angad Dev Ji, Guru Hamid
आराम से ना मैं इसको हाँ बता दे बेटा। शुरू एक नंबर पे कौन है?
What's with the camera?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. I'm working for educational purpose. Yeah.
You went last year.
Huh?
Did you come last year?
Yeah.
हाँ जी। Come back in 10 minutes and we'll talk. Okay?
वो रही याद नहीं रखते अच्छा ठीक है हेलो हैप्पी विसाखी
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ
We begin with the word Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. The Khalsa belongs to the
That's also at the start of battles. It's really difficult.
that would echo who is willing to stand up for you? Who is willing to stand for justice? 5 individuals said this, not because they knew what would happen, but because they believed. The moment that they believed that the moment gave birth to the Khalsa. A community built on equality, courage, and self-respect.
Sorry
And centuries later,
yeah
as a student,
So we use this to curl my hair two times a day.
5 times
One of the 5 Ks.
yeah
And we
I'm
we-
talking about the 5 you know
yeah. And we use this every day, twice a day.
Yeah.
In the morning when we wake up,
Yeah.
before sunrise.
Okay.
So from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. we'll curl my hair one time, and then we'll do our prayers,
Okay.
and then we'll go back to sleep, and then in the evening as well we'll comb my hair again,
Okay.
and then we'll
Yeah.
retie our turbans
Yeah,
as well. So it's twice a day.
and the karpon yeah
Qurban is this one, or you can get, or you can get a smaller one.
yeah the
This is a
smaller
smaller one.
this by the
This
kitchen.
one we wear to sleep, or we
Yeah.
wear in the shower.
Okay.
When we're having a shower, we have to wear a qurban as well.
Okay
And then this is a bigger qurban.
yeah
And then this is a qara.
yeah
And then case is the long hair.
Case
you have under here.
yeah
And then kashera as
and
well.
undergarments yeah okay dear yeah that's what I'm asking you I'm working for education purpose
Yeah,
you know
okay.
okay thank you very much thank you where
Guru Angad Dev Ji,
second
Guru Amar Das Ji,
okay
Guru Ram Das Ji,
okay
Guru Arjan Dev Ji,
yeah
Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji,
yeah
Guru Har Rai Sahib Ji,
yeah
Guru Har Krishna Rai Ji, Har Krishna Sahib Ji,
yeah
Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji,
yeah
then Guru Gobind Singh Ji,
okay dear thank you very much
then Guru Granth Sahib Ji,
Yeah.
then Guru Khalsa Panth.
okay dear thank you very much thank you very much you have a good knowledge yeah
good night. Yeah, good night,
thank you very much yeah
Guru Gobind Singh, he is son to the master, father of the culture.
ਲਾਲੀਆਂ ਫਾਜਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਾਲ ਕੋ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਸਜਿਓ ਪ੍ਰਤਿਆਰ ਪ੍ਰਤਿਆਰ ਤੇਰਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਜਪੇ ਸਦਾ ਕਾਲਿਆ ਕਾਲਿਆ ਕਾਲ ਦੇਖ ਦੇਖ ਫਤਿਹ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ
As beautiful as times and a means to defend ourselves, Guru Sahib Ji has provided us with it all. Guru Gobind Singh Ji stands as the sovereign father of the Khalsa, the one who has given us an identity, has given us honor and a clear sense of purpose. They didn't create the Khalsa to live in fear or uncertainty, but to stand tall, to carry ourselves with dignity, and to move through the world with the presence of kings and queens. But it is not being shaped by pressure or societal opinion, but being purely shaped through Naam and Gurbani. At the center of this is Akal, the timeless. The Khalsa is connected to something beyond trends, beyond change, beyond fear. That is why we can remain steady, even when everything around us is uncertain. But this strength is only one side of the Khalsa. Alongside Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj, we are guided by our beautiful mother, Mata Sai Dewa Ji, the epitome of devoted, unconditional love for the Guru. Mata Ji represents complete surrender, the willingness to give your head to the Guru, to let go of ego, to let go of pride, to let go of personal desire. Mata Ji would hold a kirpan in one hand and a mala in the other, showing us the complete, perfect balance of strength and devotion. She shows us what it means to be both strong and deeply connected, firm yet gentle. Mataji is the example the Khalsa should strive towards. Purity in thought, purity in action and intention. Through her we understand that true strength is rooted in seva, love for the Guru and discipline. The Guru the Guru Gobind Singh Ji and the Guru Khalsa Panth. We are raised to be sovereign, to walk with confidence, independence and strength. But at the same time, we are there to be humble servants of the Panth, ready to serve without ego and to give without expecting anything in return. That's what makes the Khalsa distinct. It is not knowing just power, it's knowing humility. Both held together, hand in hand. It's knowing your worth, but never placing yourself above another. It's standing strong while staying being deeply grounded and rooted in just the one. In a world that often confuses power with arrogance and humility with weakness, the Khalsa shows a different way, a sovereign way, a humble way. That is what Guru Gobind Singh Ji gave us, and that is why the Khalsa still matters today. Thank you. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki
Please give it up for the children from Artham Academy. That was incredible. They have joined us today all the way from East London, and it's really tough being here on stage, and they are our youngest performers today. So yeah, congratulations, and that was amazing. What did you think?
And the Pavitra sees their head, their blessed head is moved back to Anandapur side, where Sri Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji Maharaj was. Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji Maharaj asks a question, that was there anybody that stood up for Dharam? Was there anybody that stood up for righteousness? Is there anybody that said that this is wrong? And the goddesses that were in attendance, they said to Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji Maharaj that at that time we could not tell who was a Sikh, who was a Hindu, who was a Muslim, that everybody just looked the same. And Sri Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji Maharaj, upon hearing this, they vowed to make such a form, make such an identity for their Sikhs, that they will be able to be recognized within hundreds of thousands of people. But not just being recognized. Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji Maharaj doesn't just stop there with the blessings that they give to the Khalsa. They said they'll be able to be recognized in hundreds of thousands. But they also said they'll be able to fight against hundreds of thousands as well. Sava lakh se ek ladaun. These are the blessings that our Guru gives. That if we follow the teachings, if we receive Khande Bhattara Amrit, if we do our Nitane, we do that daily routine of a Godasik, these are the blessings that Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji Maharaj gives us. That we are part of that unique identity of the Khalsa. We are a part of that family, of this brotherhood that is the Khalsa itself. That the Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji Maharaj themselves will protect us. And in that time, when Guru Sahib called all the Sangat to Anandapur side, and they made that call to the Panch Pyare, and then Guru Sahib had that tegga, they had that sword, and one by one they took the heads of the Panch Pyare. And when Sri Guru Gobind Singh Maharaj puts them back together, they do not think this is Pyara Pai Daya Singh Ji sees and this is their body. They put it on however they felt fit, however they felt like. And this, we sometimes think that this is make-believe, that we read in history that Guru Sahib took the heads of goats instead. But if you look into our history, there's an eyewitness account in Aligarh University today that it is from a Mughal spy who was in attendance at that time in 1699, and they write down everything that happens. This is not from the perspective of a Sikh, this is for one of Aurangzeb's spies at the time. And they state that Sri Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji Maharaj takes the heads of the Panch Pyare, because there isn't anything that our Guru can't do. They're the one that gives us life, and they're the one that takes it as well. So why can they not do that within this world? There's no need to have any doubt about it. Sri Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji Maharaj, there's nobody like them. They're the ones that took the heads of the Panch Pyare and brought them back. And they blessed them with Khande Bhattara Amrit by reciting the Nitane of the Panch Vaniya of Sri Japji Sahib, Jap Sahib, Tuat Prasad Savaiya, Chaupai Sahib and Anand Sahib. And they give them Amrit. They drink Amrit 5 times. It's put in their eyes 5 times, and it's put in their head 5 times, in their gaze. But Sri Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji Maharaj wasn't just done there. Sri Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji, upon giving the Panch Pyare Amrit, They themselves ask for Amrit. I'll ask these people on this inside what they're going to give. And you're going to this inside respond.
ये खिदमत कर रहे हैं लोगों की। हाँ, बिल्कुल बहुत बड़ा वर्क है। नौजवानों मैं आप लोगों के साथ फोटो उतार सकता हूँ? I want to photo with you.
Mum said no.
Huh?
Mum said no.
They've got
Okay.
Go just do it, man. What the fuck is the problem? You're wearing a bar, right? You go in the middle. You go in the middle. You go in the middle.
Yeah.
You're the star of the show.
Yeah. Help me.
Give me a call.
और मैं इन नौजवानों के साथ खड़ा हूँ यहाँ। मैं इनके साथ खड़ा हूँ और जनाब ये देखिए नौजवान हैं।
You're small, guys.
बड़े डिवोटेड लोग हैं ये।
Say excuse me when
Get another one together afterwards, that's fine. Okay, 3.
You know much about stem cell transplant? So you speak good English? Yes, you speak. Yes. So have you heard of blood cancer? I've got a few facts.
I promise that we answer every single day and you should be striving towards every single day. So, from On Seek to Inspire, the organisation that we're from, we want to wish everybody a happy Vaisakhi, that may we be able to join Salat Guru. May we be able to answer our Guru. And may we be the best.
और ये आप नज़र दौड़ाएं कि कितनी दुनिया यहाँ उमड़ आई है। इतना रश है कि कदम रखना मुश्किल है। ये लंदन में बैसाखी का प्रोग्राम है जो सारी यूके की सिख बल्कि बाकी मज़ाहब की इसमें मुस्लिम भी आए हुए हैं, हिंदू भी आए हुए हैं, ईसाई भी आए हुए हैं, सारे है ना एक बड़ा प्रोग्राम है ये। काफ़ी सारे इसमें यहाँ इकट्ठे हो गए हैं और आज मौसम भी अल्लाह का करम है कि इन पे मौसम यानी बिल्कुल गर्म है। ये पिछले 2-3 दिन सर्दी थी, आज ये करम है अल्लाह का कि यहाँ पे मौसम बिल्कुल मज़ेदार है, बल्कि गर्म है इंतहाई। ये एक लोगों को लंदन ट्रफालगर स्क्वायर से वैसाखी का खूबसूरत प्रोग्राम देखा। बेटा ये आपकी बनाई हुई है जी? अच्छा, ये इस बच्ची की जो है कारनामा है जबरदस्त। वैसे आपके हाथ में बहुत बरकत है। हाँ ये देखिए। अच्छा ये तस्वीर किसकी है?
ये गुरु नानक देव जी।
अच्छा गुरु नानक देव जी की। ओके जी। आज जो है ये दुनिया को खूबसूरती देता है। दुनिया में जितनी भी खूबसूरती है ये आर्टिस्ट लोगों की वजह से।
Thank you very much.
which we call and the tradition of Bhangra started actually in the western side of Punjab. The dance form came into the eastern side for the independent India post-independence of 1947, and this is thanks to actually some of the refugee families from Pakistan, including a clan which was called the Bazigar clan. They came with this dance form to India. They teamed up with a gentleman called Manohar Deepak, and you can Google this. Manohar Deepak was an artist and also a dancer. He used to perform on stage.
लंगर है और
he later went to Bombay or Mumbai. Bollywood to try his luck in movies.
रोटी पे मिलेगी, चाय पे मिलेगी। ये नौजवान यहाँ पे खड़ा है और खिदमत कर रहा है।
And that is when Bhangra came into prominence, and soon afterwards Bhangra started featuring in Indian movies. So
यहाँ लंगर पे बच्चियाँ काम कर रही हैं, हमारी बहन बात काम कर रही है। देखें हाँ शुक्रिया, थैंक यू वेरी मच। नो शुगर, आई वांट शुगर।
Tea with sugar.
थैंक यू डियर।
That is called a dole, which is a barrel and has got two drums, one on either side. You play the dole. It's amazing. That is what is traditional.
ये देखिए ये लंगर है और यहाँ की रोटी मिलती है तैयार, बिल्कुल मज़ेदार पराठे, दाल जनाब, वो आलू की भजिया, खूबसूरत। और देखिए इसमें ज़्यादातर जो है बच्चियाँ काम कर रही है। सारा जो ये निज़ाम है ये बच्चियों ने संभाला हुआ है।
As the dole gets louder and faster. There are some other musical instruments which are played in Bhangra. Anybody who knows what those? Yes, there is sap. We call it sap. And what else? Tumbi. Yes, well done, fantastic. Anybody else? What else do we play in Bhangra? So do have a look and perform Bhangra. Like in Punjabi we say Bhangra Pao, and the ladies who perform the similar version of Bhangra is called Gidda. So earlier it was only men performing, and why should women perform, right? So performing.
मैं आप लोगों
As my mom does manager. So
वैसाखी की
Jira in the pants gone.
फंक्शन दिखा रहा हूँ। अच्छा, इसके साथ मुझे इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़, अल्लाह हाफिज़, रब राका।